How to use a glucometer. This training video demonstrates the correct handling and operation of a glucometer, including preparation, usage, and safety precautions. Let us first understand the main components. Glucometer device. Test strips. Lancet. Lancing pen. Strip bottle. Glucometer device, the main unit with display screen and buttons. Test strips, small disposable strips where the blood sample is placed. Lancet device, lancing pen, used to prick the finger. Lancets, small, sharp needles inserted into the lancet device. Display screen, shows the glucose reading. Control buttons, power, set, memory, to turn on, off, set date and time. And review past readings. Let us see how to use the glucometer on the patient. Open the glucometer pouch and take out the device and accessories. Here is the glucometer device and a test strip packed individually for hygiene and accuracy. These are the components needed for a blood glucose test: the lancet for finger pricking, cotton to clean the fingertip before and after testing, and the lancet pen to hold and activate the lancet. The test strip is carefully removed from its small protective packet, ready to be inserted into the glucometer. Handling the strip gently ensures accuracy by keeping the testing area clean and uncontaminated. This is the test strip. It contains a chemical sensor that reacts with the blood sample to provide an accurate glucose reading. The test strip is inserted into the glucometer. The device powers on automatically and indicates that it is ready to receive the blood sample for measurement. The glucometer displays a ready symbol while waiting for the blood sample. At this stage, the device is prepared to measure the glucose level as soon as the sample is applied. The lancet is inserted into the pen and the protective cap is removed. The depth adjustment is set according to the patient's comfort to ensure a safe and precise finger prick. The lancet pen is used to prick the side of the fingertip, producing a small drop of blood. A small drop of blood forms on the fingertip. The glucometer with the inserted strip is brought close to the drop, ready to absorb the sample for testing. The drop of blood is placed on the edge of the test strip. The strip absorbs the sample automatically, allowing the glucometer to begin analyzing the blood glucose level. After a few seconds, the glucometer displays the patient's blood glucose level on the screen, providing an immediate and accurate reading for assessment. Once the reading is recorded, the used test strip is removed and disposed of safely. The glucometer and its accessories are returned to the pouch for proper storage and future use. Now, let us see the important safety precautions to follow while using a glucometer. Always wash hands before testing. Use a new lancet for each measurement. Never reuse test strips. Dispose of used strips and lancets safely in a sharps container. Store the glucometer and strips away from direct sunlight and moisture. Ensure the patient's finger is clean and dry before pricking.